Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. It only took like 4 months to make a new video, but that does not matter. And today I'm doing something a bit different. Since usually I do like scripted video stuff, today I'm just going to be doing some hot takes. And I'm going to do it a tier list, an animal tier list. I made this tier list. If I remember, I'll leave a link in the description to the tier list. And it's just a bunch of animals that I put there. And if it's missing out on some of your favorite animals, well then, I don't really know what to tell you. I probably just forgot about them. And obviously, this is my opinion. This is not objective on who the best animals are. So don't get too mad, and without further ado, let's just get into it. The first animal we will be talking about on the animal tier list is the penguin. The penguin is one of the most beloved animals for many reasons. They're amazing. They live in a cool habitat. They look pretty cool. They're pretty cute. They're just pretty cool, you know? And even though there is a pretty cool section, I'm going to put them in goated because it makes sense. Next up is a cow. Now, honestly, I hate to say it because the cow, you know, it's one of the most iconic animals. And it may be just because of Minecraft, but nonetheless, everyone loves a cow. But I do not, which is why I'm going to put it in the no tier. Next up is the bunny or the rabbit or whatever you want to call it. It doesn't really matter to me because they're kind of the same thing. I don't really care about bunnies. If I see one in my yard, I'll be like, oh cool, a bunny, and then I'll just leave. So they're the mid tier. The raven is up next, and I can't really tell the difference between ravens and falcons. So I'm also going to put this in the mid tier. I know they're really fast and stuff. They fly pretty fast, but you know, ravens just aren't for me. Also, I hate the football team. I hate that team so much. I don't know why. Pugs, the dogs, or I'm just going to consider them pugs. And honestly, I'm not much of a dog person. I know that can be a bit controversial at times. In fact, probably all times, but I don't really care. Pugs, I do like though. They are the greatest dog, and I'm going to put them in the pretty cool tier. Gorillas. Gorillas are surprisingly similar to humans, even though they're humongous beasts who, you know, like to kill things. Anyway, gorillas, nonetheless, are pretty cool animals, so I'm going to put them in the pretty cool tier. Sharks. Now, sharks are... they got this little reputation of being monsters. But me, as a considerate human being who respects all living creatures, I think the shark belongs in the goated tier. Next up are the tigers. Tigers are weird, 'cause they look weird, they act weird, and, you know, they're just weird animals, but they're also pretty cool. Dolphins. If you see a dolphin in the wild, just, you know, jumping around in the ocean, it's one of the coolest things ever. And it's only happened to me like once or twice, but whenever I see them, I'm like, oh look, a dolphin. So just for that, I want to put them in the goated tier. Pigs. If this was a Minecraft pig, it would go straight up in the goated tier. But I'm sorry, normal pigs, the only reason I care about them is because, you know, they have bacon, and I like bacon. So other than that, they're pretty mid. Eagles, I don't really care about eagles. They're kind of the same thing as ravens or falcons or any of that kind of stuff. Except they are the national icon of America, you know, the bald eagle. So just for that, I'm going to put them in the no tier. Next up is the horse. I'm more of a donkey guy, not just because Shrek. I just like donkeys better. I don't know. I don't hate horses, but I just can't give them higher than the mid tier. Next up are humans. I've used The Rock because I believe he is the perfect human being. And I think humans are pretty mid, to be completely honest. Giraffes, this is it. This is the bomb. Giraffes are the worst animal of all time. I don't like giraffes. This is completely serious. I hate giraffes. I hate their necks. I hate the fact that if they choke, then they just immediately die. Because their necks are extremely long. I don't even know if they can choke, but just the thought of that just makes me, I don't know, man. I just can't sleep at night because of the thought of that. I'm not much of a giraffe guy. If I see one in a movie, like walking around in the background, I'm just like, ugh. So yeah, I'm going to put in the absolute trash tier. No offense. Next up are wolves. I don't really care for wolves. They're kind of just, you know, the cooler version of dogs. So I'm going to put them in the pretty cool tier. Next up are goats. And there's literally a tier called goated, so I don't really have to explain that. Goats, as an animal, they're mid. They're completely mid. But everyone uses the term goat, and there's literally a tier called goated, so I think it's literally destiny that the goat goes in the goated tier. Next up is the fish. And there's lots of fish out there. There's salmon, there's other fish. And this fish just seems to be a normal pink fish, and I don't really care about fish. A shark is technically a fish, but that's irrelevant. So I'm just going to put the fish in the mid tier. A cat. I do like cats. I wouldn't say I love cats, like I'm not overly obsessed with them, but I think they're pretty cool animals. And a tiger is also a cat, so I'm also just going to put the cat in the pretty cool tier with its tiger friend. An orangutan. Don't ask me why I chose an orangutan over like a chimpanzee and stuff, because I don't really know, to be completely honest. But orangutans are pretty cool animals, you know. They're pretty similar to humans. They're very smart. They're orange. And, you know, they're just pretty cool. Polar bears. I do not care about polar bears. I'm much more of a panda guy, but for some reason, they're not on this list. So, yeah, polar bears. I'm going to put them in the pretty cool tier because they're pretty cool. Also, I heard one time that they're black. Their fur is actually black. That doesn't make sense. If anyone says that, then they're wrong. I don't care if it's actual fact. And the final animal is shrimp. And looking back at this, I just realized I made the best animal tier. And there's no other animal in that tier. So the shrimp is going to have the privilege of being the best animal tier. And with that out of the way, this is my tier list that I've made. The best animal, goated, pretty cool, mid, no, and absolute trash are the tiers, and this is where you will find everything. And with that out of the way, I can officially say goodbye. Hope you enjoyed watching. Later, see you next time.